Saturday or Sunday. I've got to leave at 10 o'clock in the morning now to get there. Let's hope we don't get no fires this summer. Because it just wipes out the wildlife and the creatures in the fucking area. You know what I mean? It's fucking hurtful. It's not just us living on the planet. These little creatures. I like beetles and insects. They don't harm you. I like fucking spiders. I love spiders. Sometimes I sit in there and I talk to a spider for a fucking hour. He's hanging upside down and he's listening to me. Yeah, I love spiders. I fucking love them. Don't fucking harm you.
You see on the other end. So fucking work, will ya? I'm gonna be fuming. Come on. Work, man, work. Fucking work. Notice adapter here. You know where that's going? I'll tell you where it's gonna go. Yeah. In the fucking sea. That's where it's going. I've chucked it in the ocean. I chucked it in the fucking ocean. Been useless. Well, listen.